Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing for you, and it is my Birchbox. It has finally arrived. I swear I am the last person to get this every month. So Birchbox, it costs £10 a month, £2.95 postage and packaging. So it's actually not that bad a value box. It's a really good one. Now, my box looks a little bit damaged. Every single time I get a box, it has a score line right down the middle of the box, which is really upsetting when they're such beautiful boxes. This is not done by me opening it, because I always take care to open it at the sides, because I know that they come like this. So I think I'm going to drop them a little message and see what they say. I'm not holding that much hope for a reply, because I messaged them just asking why my box is always the last one to arrive, and they haven't replied to that one yet either, so there we go. Anyway, yeah, so this is it, and isn't it pretty? It's like a tie-dye sort of just ink and water type effect, and normally you get a pull-out drawer design, but this month it's a bit special, fancy pants, because it's a magnetic closure. And look, it opens up and we have a mirror, and the mirror's better than this. It's a plastic film that comes off. Here we go. So you can see there's a proper mirror there. I'll just cover it back over so I don't blind you. But look, my box is already starting to fall apart. I think they've not been made very well. However, I'm going to get some glue or double-sided tape, and I'm going to get that stuck back down, because I really want to keep this on my dressing table. You can either pop your jewellery in it, or maybe like your most used bits of makeup and things that you're using currently, just like your everyday makeup, so it's at hand. Or when you travel, you could pop your bits and pieces in there, and you've got your mirror with you and everything else. So yeah, I really love this design box. So yeah, thumbs up from me. So let's have a look and see inside. So it opens up, as I say, like that, and then we have so I've got a little booklet on the top, and there's a leaflet, and here are my products. So let's see. So there is a money off voucher, and this is for Monica Vinader, and it is a jewellery company, and you can get £15 off your order. Is there a minimum spend? I'm not sure. And it's just, the code is Birchbox15, and it has to be redeemed by the 15th of May. So there we are there. And then this is our leaflet. So this month's theme is You're a Gem, and that is for April 2019. Sneak peek for next month is a Lord and Berry pencil, and you can choose between either a lip liner or an eyeliner. I think I've got both, but I've got absolutely hundreds of black eyeliners, so I'm probably going to pick the lip liner, I think, and see. So that might go into a giveaway that I am currently saving for. So yeah, here we are. This is what's in my box. So what does it say? So it says, hello Birchboxers. April marks the start of a new season and a chance to embrace a whole lot of spring positivity. Right, I'll be positive. Whether you believe in the healing power of crystals or not, we love the feel-good vibes that they represent, and it doesn't hurt that they're beautiful too. So all month long, we'll be reflecting the sparkle that you exude naturally. Why? Well, because you're a gem, of course. Okay, so let us go in. Now, this is a product that we knew that we were getting last month. So just if you don't know, if you're new to Birchbox, every month, before your box comes out, you get an email towards the end of the previous month letting you know about the choices that you can select, and it's usually a shade. And yeah, so this time it was a highlighter, and you could choose between a pinky purpley shade or a more sort of golden champagne-y shade. So I've chosen the champagne-y shade, and it is by Estate, and this is what it looks like. I like that it's boxed. I quite like the fact it's boxed. So this is it here. It is a baked highlighter. Packaging is, it's all right, you know, it's a little bit young, but I don't mind it. Let's see what it says, and then we will swatch it. So it is a full size. It is valued at £10, and it says, oh, so you can either get it in the shade Lit or Afterglow. So this is Lit, and the purpley one is Afterglow. So it says the silky smooth powder brightens and highlights the skin in a single sweep, blending seamlessly and smoothly to give your cheekbones, brow bones and eyes just the right glow. Its baked technology creates a sheer light texture for delicate looking buildable radiance. So yeah, so it's a baked highlighter, and as I say, I've got like the goldy coloured one here, so that's it, and I think that's a really pretty looking shade. So let's see, it feels nice and soft. Boom, look at that, and there we are. Wow, so that is a really, really pretty colour. It feels really smooth actually, it's not chunky at all, so that is really nice. I'm so glad I got this one and not the pinky one. So yeah, that is the first item. Next thing we've got, now it did say that everybody was going to also get a benefit product this month. So I have got the POREfessional Pore Primer by Benefit, and to be fair, every unboxing I've seen so far, every single person has got this. They did have pictures of, I think it was the California blush, which I was like praying I would get, because I've got a lot of the other like little mini blushes, and I was like, oh please let me get that. But anyway, I've got a primer, but it's fine because this is a nice primer. It is small, it's 3 mils, but this honestly will last ages because a little goes a long way. It's not quite like a silicone based primer, and feels very sleek and things. So it says, so the full size for this would be £26. This is obviously just a tester, well, a sample, and it says this silky oil-free primer diffuses pores and fine lines for an airbrushed finish, whilst keeping your makeup in place. It goes on sheer, leaving skin instantly even and smooth. No wonder it's the UK's #1 bestseller. Use it under makeup or dab over the top for midday touch-ups. Okay, so I've not heard about putting it on top of your makeup before, so that's something, if any of you have tried, let me know how you get on with that, because that just seems a little bit odd to put it on top. But anyway, let's have a little look. So I'll show you here. So that's it there, there's just a little small bit there. It's got a slight hint of colour to it, and so I've just popped it, where have I put it? Can't see it here. Here we are, just here. It goes in really smooth. It feels, I was going to say greasy, it's not, it's just that sort of silicone type primer. So if you don't like that, you might not like this, but honestly it is a really, really lovely primer to use, and yeah, that'll last you a few weeks, I'd have thought. So next thing we've got is, yay, so it is a Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. It's 99% natural and it's 7 mils. I'm a bit, can take or leave Balance Me. It is a nice brand, but you know, it's all right. But what's really good is I've just used all my eye cream up, so this has come at the perfect time for me. Can't believe I've run out of eye cream. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this one. So the full size of this would be £20, and this is a 4-star product review on Birchbox, so oh, that's good. So it says, perk up your peepers with this wonderful multitasking eye cream using a unique blend of Roman chamomile, virgin coconut, cucumber, rosehip and carrot oils. It'll depuff, soften, smooth and brighten. Simply tap and blend the 99% natural cream around your eyes each day and night. So let's have a little look here. So it's just a little squeezy tube, and so that's it there, just white cream. I'm going to pop it here. So it goes in really easily. Yeah, you can sort of smell the oils and things. You can smell all the essential oils. And it smells quite like botanical, and yeah. It smells lovely actually. It's not greasy, but it does feel nourishing. So yeah, I'm excited to give that one a go. What else have we got? Oh, so another little eye sort of treat thing is a Diamond Eye Brighten and Depuff, and it is by VITAMASQUES. Look at that packaging. So yesterday I think was Unicorn Day. I can't believe there's such a thing. This would have been great then. I wish I had this for Instagram yesterday. Never mind. So this is a full size. It RRPs for £4.99. Look at it. I I love it. And it says, whether it's late Netflix-fueled nights or a tiring commute, chances are your eyes could do some TLC. Yes, you can. So enter this all-star blend of diamond powder, yes really, and caffeine to hydrate, brighten and depuff. Apply a pad under each eye, relax for 10 to 15 minutes and voila. So yeah, this is a really, really nice little sort of treatment. You can pop it on when you're in the bath, or if you're maybe sort of going out and you want your eyes and your skin to look the best. So yeah, so utilize this special skin gel technology for exceptional comfort and adhesion. So there we are. Keep an eye out on my Instagram, because when I use it, it'll be on there. And then finally, last product is it's by HUMAN+KIND, and it is a body souffle, and we have 30 mils. That's quite a good size for Birchbox. And so it's Human Plus, is it Human and Kind or just HUMAN+KIND? So it says this lightly whipped cream makes nourishing your body feel like a luxurious task. Massage in the velvety and uber moisturizing ingredients, this aloe vera and a multitude of botanical oils to leave your limbs softer than ever with a serious healthy sheen. So I really, really love body moisturizers and things. I tend to put body lotions and creams on in the morning after my shower. Then on an evening I like to have a bath as well, and then I usually use all my body butters for overnight. So this will be really nice to use in the daytime. It's not sealed, but there we are there. Let me just cover that up. Pop a little bit on my arm. So that's it here. Ooh. Oh, it smells really fresh. Oh, it smells lovely. Oh, it's really, really clean, and it's gone in straight away. It's not greasy. So if you're rushing to get out the door, you can whack this on, and it's not going to sort of make your skin all greasy and horrid and having to wait for it to dry down before you get dressed. It does smell cucumbery, but maybe it's the aloe vera. But I really, really like it. It's really fresh and clean smelling. Next thing I see is, okay, so this is a little extra actually. So somebody used my code last month, so thank you very much. So this is a little freebie for me, and it's a jelly shot by Incredible, and I've just got one of these just recently in another box. I think it was maybe my Tilly box. Was it my Tilly box? I think it was my Tilly box, and I'd got that box because I really wanted one of these, and now I have another. So these are really lovely. They are a lip balm, and as you can see there, they're really pretty. They're all different coloured ones, but it's hard to tell, but they have a little flower in at the base there. So they are really nice. They feel really moisturising. They're not really greasy balms, but they just feel really beautiful on the lips. So yeah, that's that one. So thank you for using my code. If anybody wants to use my code to get £5 off the first box, just pop in LADYMAWA in the code box, but I'll also pop a link down below which will take you directly to the page, which is easier. I am actually happy. I'm so mad that I'm happy because I wanted to be really cross with them Birchbox, but I'm happy with my box. You know, I do tend to be one of these people that does sort of quite enjoy the boxes when I get them. So yeah, let's do a little rundown of what we've got, just recap again. So we have got the Body Soufflé by HUMAN+KIND. We have the Estate Highlighter, which is the item that I chose last month. I have the eye mask, the Diamond Eye Mask from VITAMASQUES. We have got the POREfessional Primer by Benefit, which is a really, really nice primer. We have the eye cream by Balance Me, and is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? And then yeah, I have the extra little freebie. Thank you for using my code, the Incredible Jelly Shot. So that is, look at that, beautifully arranged by myself. That is my box there. So I'm really, really happy with that. I think it's a really good box. Now, let me tell you this. First time I've ever noticed, when my box arrived today, first time ever I've noticed this, excuse me whilst I just cover up my address label, but on the outer packaging of the box here, oh sorry, I need to try and get it so I can hold it with my stupid wrist. On this bottom line here, it says jelly, what does it say? Jelly plus April V5. So I've now worked out what the jelly bit means. So I'm assuming the April V5 is April version 5. So there is actually a thing so you know which version you've got. So if you've got your box, have a look on there. And then I'm assuming now the jelly means I have the Jelly Shot lip product from Incredible. That was my freebie extra. So it's the Jelly Shot plus the version 5 box. So yeah, so now we know that we get different versions and we can identify which one we've got. So I just thought I'd pass that little bit of info on. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing today. If you have, please do give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've got Birchbox, what you've got, what your favourite products are, if you like it, if you don't. I think for the money, I think this month's actually pretty good. I wasn't overly impressed last month, but yeah, it's pretty good this month. So I'm going to stick with it. Somebody's used my code the other day, so thank you. I got a little message through, which means I will get a nice little extra in my box next month, and that person will get £5 off their first box, making it like £5 plus £2.95 postage and packaging, so it's going to cost them £7.95, so that's really, really good. So yeah, thank you. I think I've got one more box to come, and that will be my Look Incredible standard box, so I'm looking forward to that. So she says, just interested to see what's in it. So anyway, take care for now. See you all very soon. Enjoy the rest of the evening, and bye for now. Bye.